goodness. You've destroyed a lot of things here today. Well, you're lucky you're so cute. What am I supposed to do with you now? I'm gonna have to help you down.
Marley, what's that on your face? Huh? Lucky? Lucky, look at me. What's that on your face? Huh? Jake, did you do anything wrong? Jake, you did nothing wrong, did you? You two are in big trouble.
Who got in the trash, Red? You don't know? Who got in? You're looking mighty guilty.
Muñeca, ¿usted hizo esto? Muñeca, listen to me. ¿Usted hizo esto? ¿Sí o no? ¿Hiciste eso? Sven, Sven, tú, no sé ni para qué pregunto. Ay.
These are literally little doggy bacon strips treats. And I'm like, oh my God, Coco got a hold of the doggy treats and of course dragged them down the stairs. And then I didn't even notice Coco is sitting right here inside the bag. Coco, chilling with the Superman doggy treat bag cape on. Like, how did you get in there?
What did you do? Oh yeah, you're just gonna sleep right there? What did you do? You're done. Done. Who ate the English muffins? Are you sorry? Do you think it's funny? I hope they were delicious.